Hi, this is Luke for Production Experts, and this is how to get great drum parts using EZdrummer 3 from Toontrack. Toontrack's venerable drum virtual instrument can produce results that can convince even the most discerning engineer or composer. Today I'm going to walk through getting a great part from the ground up to fit the song. Using the extensive MIDI, fantastic sounds, and comprehensive compositional tools in EZdrummer 3, I can go from nothing to a complete part in minutes. So a great drum track begins with a great performance. Now in EZdrummer 3 you get so much MIDI, so many beats, grooves, fills, you name it, it's all in here. And that's all well and good, but it doesn't relate directly to my song. So to do a kind of audio search of this library here, I can use tap to find. And I could compare this pattern with the existing library. But better still, in EZdrummer 3, I can use Bandmate. So I go into the Bandmate tab, take some audio or MIDI from my existing composition, in this case a key part, and now EZdrummer 3 has made a suggestion. Let's have a listen. Okay, with a little hi-hat scoop there. And I've got these really useful macros that allow me to increase or reduce the complexity of the part. So let's get some ghost notes going. Maybe a bit too busy, I'll just pull those back. Let's do something with this hat. And before I go any further, I can just check against the source if I want to. So I'm happy with that. I can pull this MIDI down onto the song track and do my entire composition down here if I want. I can go into the grid editor, and this lets me do some other stuff as well. So I can select notes, some or all of them. I've got lots of velocity options here, and also some further options, some humanize options here. So I could hold Alt to repeat this down the line. However, I like to pull the MIDI onto my timeline. So that's the timeline sorted out. I do have some further options here if I do want to further refine my MIDI in the song track. Got some great options, so you'll never be stuck, and you can even do things like drag the power hand to a different instrument. Love that, great feature. Now EZdrummer 3 comes with 7 different drum kits across 3 different rooms, all recorded at Hansa Studios in Berlin. And in addition to those, you get 14 kicks, 24 snares, 30 toms, and over 30 hats, rides, crashes, and splashes to choose from as well. So you can mix it up if you need to. So we've been in the tight room, but you also get the main room. So there are 2 kits here in the main room, the studio kit. So very contemporary sound there, or maybe something slightly less bright. We've got the bright room with 2 kits in it as well. Just so many great sounds in here. For my track, however, I need something a bit more intimate, so I'm going to go back into the tight room. I'm liking the original mix. So a completely different vibe there, but in context, it's really making my track come into its own. So although there are loads of drums and presets, I do have lots of control in the mixer as well. I also have the option to route to different channels in my DAW if I want to. But for now, I'm getting a great sound simply by mixing inside EZdrummer 3 itself. And with a little saturation to finish, I have my complete part. So that's how to get great drum parts using EZdrummer 3 from Toontrack. Fast, realistic and musical drum parts in minutes. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to Production Expert.